In this video, I will show you how to create a QR code in Canva. So let's jump straight into it. So as you can see, I'm here on Canva. Now I've actually got a business card design. So QR codes are really good to add to like business cards or brochures or leaflets, because what it's going to do is give someone a chance to scan that QR code and be redirected to like your business website or maybe your YouTube channel. So to do this, it's actually quite easy to do. So once you've got your design ready, what you're going to want to do is come over to this toolbar on the left hand side. And what you want to do is come and click onto apps just down here. Once you're in the app section, come up to the search box at the top, and in here go ahead and type QR code and then press enter. So here we can see the QR code app. So what you want to do now is go ahead and give this a click, and then what you're going to see down at the bottom is a purple open button. So you want to click onto open. What it's going to do is ask you to enter the URL. So this is going to be your website address or your YouTube channel address. So you want to put this into here. So let's say, for example, www.google.com. Once that's done, come down and click the purple generate code button, and what it's going to do is add this QR code to your website. So whenever anyone scans this, in this example they're going to be redirected to google.com, but of course for yourself they will be redirected to whichever website address you have put into the URL box here. What you can do from here is further customize by resizing the QR code, and you can put this anywhere you want onto your design. And once you're happy, what you're going to want to do is come up to the top right hand corner, press onto the share button up here, then come down and click on to download. Next, what you can do is choose your file type. So the best is PNG because it's a complex image, and then just press the purple download button. This is going to start downloading this onto your PC. So once that's downloaded, what you can then do is go ahead and open up the folder, and as you can see, if we open up the image, we have our design there with our QR code. So that's how to go ahead and create a QR code in Canva. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.